How to Get Money on TikTok, Complete Beginner's Guide 2026. Have you ever wondered how TikTok creators make money? Do you need millions of followers? Do you need to go viral every day? The answer is no. Many creators earn money on TikTok using different methods. In this video, I will explain the best ways to make money on TikTok in 2026. Whether you are a beginner or already creating videos, this guide will help you understand how TikTok income really works. Let's get started. Part 1. Build an audience. The first step is growing your audience. People follow creators who entertain, educate, or solve problems. Choose one niche. Examples include making money online, technology, beauty, fitness, education, cooking, travel. Post high-quality videos consistently. The more value you provide, the faster your audience can grow. Part 2. Join TikTok Creator Rewards. In some countries, eligible creators can earn through TikTok's Creator Rewards program. Eligibility depends on factors such as your country, account status, and TikTok's current requirements. Check the monetization section in your TikTok account to see if the program is available where you live. Part 3. Brand sponsorships. Many businesses pay creators to promote their products. You do not always need millions of followers. A smaller audience with high engagement can also attract sponsors. Create honest content and build trust with your audience. Part 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn on TikTok. Recommend products you genuinely use. Place your affiliate link in your bio or wherever TikTok allows. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Always promote products that provide real value. Part 5. Sell your own products. You can sell ebooks, online courses, digital templates, clothing, handmade products, or other digital downloads. TikTok can help you reach customers from around the world. Part 6. TikTok Live Gifts. If TikTok Live is available in your region and your account qualifies, viewers can send virtual gifts during your live streams. Those gifts can be converted according to TikTok's policies. Create interactive and entertaining. Part 7. Drive traffic to other platforms. Many creators use TikTok to grow audiences on YouTube, Instagram, blogs, or online stores. This allows them to create multiple income streams instead of depending on one platform. Part 8. Common mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes: copying other creators, uploading low-quality videos, giving up too soon, ignoring trends, posting inconsistently. Focus on creating original and valuable content. Part 9. Tips for faster growth. Post consistently. Use trending sounds when relevant. Write strong captions. Use relevant hashtags. Reply to comments. Study your analytics. Keep improving every video. Final message. Making money on TikTok is possible, but it takes consistency, creativity, and patience. Focus on building trust with your audience. As your audience grows, your earning opportunities also grow. Outro. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Comment TIKTOK below if you are ready to start making money on TikTok. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.